Gremlin, has it been a while since you've gotten some fresh water? Are you thirsty? Or is it just that you want to experience the goodness that is Earl Grey before it becomes Earl Grey?
I guess water does taste better straight from the pot.
Nope, not done yet. Nope, no. Still thirsty. Get out of there, you silly boy.
I'm never gonna drink from that again.
Oh, stop it. It'll all get boiled.
Why don't you just put your butt in there, too?
Was that good water, G-Man?
He's going in for another.
What did that Oh, Mr. Chop Licker. Hey, Gremlin, you want to go clean your rear?
Yeah.
Go clean your rear. He says, no, Mama, I already did that. About 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.